The grid is a memory. Your smartphone? $1,000 glass brick. Your fancy tactical radio? Dead, because the lithium in its gut couldn't handle the EMP or the 3-year deep freeze. The airwaves are screaming with emergency broadcasts, coded military orders, and the last gasps of a dying civilization. But you're deaf. You're blind in a world of invisible signals. You think you need a battery. You're wrong. You need rust, a pencil, and the physics of a ghost. Welcome back to Grid Zero. Today, we're resurrecting the Foxhole Radio. This isn't a school science project. It's a survivor's lifeline. Allied soldiers built these in the mud of Anzio and the frozen trenches of the Bulge. They had no transistors, no vacuum tubes, and zero power sources. Just raw electromagnetism pulled straight out of the sky. This is the ultimate $0 survival hack. It's a radio that works forever, powered by nothing but the signal it's trying to catch. The secret isn't high-tech, it's high entropy. To hear a voice, we need a diode to strip the audio from the high-frequency carrier wave. In a lab, they use silicon. In the bunker, we make it from a blued steel razor blade and a graphite pencil lead. That invisible layer of oxide on the blade, the bluing, that's your semiconductor. It's a PN junction born in a forge. If the blade is too clean, it won't work. It needs that dirty molecular layer to act as a gatekeeper for electrons. Construction begins with the coil. 50 to 80 turns of copper wire salvaged from a dead microwave transformer, wound tight around a scrap of PVC or a dry, seasoned stick. This is your tuner. It creates a resonant circuit. You're fishing in a sea of static, searching for a specific frequency. Scrape the insulation off a line down the side of the coil. This is where your slider contact goes. This is how you change the station. No buttons, no menus, just friction and physics. Now, the detector. Mount the blade. Rig the pencil lid on a safety pin or a scrap of wire so it barely touches the steel. You're hunting for the sweet spot, a microscopic point where the graphite meets the oxide and allows current to flow in only one direction. Ground the circuit to a cold water pipe or a stake driven 6 feet into the earth. Throw 20 yards of wire over a pine branch for an antenna. Wire it all to a high-impedance earphone, scavenged from an old telephone or a piezo crystal from a greeting card. Put it to your ear. Through the hiss, through the silence of a collapsed world, a voice. Information is the ultimate survival gear. If you can hear them, you aren't alone. If you can hear them, you have a chance. Keep your head down and your ears open. Grid Zero, out.